Router edge guides are great when you're cutting a rabbet or groove parallel with the edge of your stock. But working on the edge of your material with just one narrow fence leaves a lot to be desired. Woodpeckers Mortise Base captures your stock securely between 2-inch deep fences for a stable way to cut mortises in the edge of a board with your plunge router. Woodpeckers Mortise Base comes with your choice of 4 different diameters of stainless steel guide rods: 1/4 inch, 5/16, which also fits 8 mm, 3/8 of an inch, and 10 mm. The brackets that adjust the fences to the guide rods adjust for almost any spacing between the rods. They also adjust vertically for almost any spacing between the bottom of the guide rods and the base place of the router, up to 1/2 inch. In other words, if your plunge router has attachment points for guide rods, the mortise base probably fits. To use the mortise base, adjust the fences to provide a secure fit on your stock, but still allow smooth travel. Slide your router along the bars to position the mortise. Set length stops with scrap blocks and small clamps. Set your depth stop on your plunge router. And start cutting. Several shallow passes are the easiest way to get smooth, straight cuts. Big routers and big mortises, or little routers and skinny mortises. Woodpeckers Mortise Base handles them all. Like all Woodpeckers products, the Mortise Base is precisely machined and carefully inspected right here in Strongsville, Ohio. Almost any size mortise using almost any plunge router. Order your Mortise Base today.